Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Palisade key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of the fob. You'll need to press this button firmly to release the hidden emergency key. Once the key is out, you'll see a small slot. For the next step, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. These tools will be perfect for gently prying the fob open. Now that you've located the release button, go ahead and press it down with a bit of pressure. You should feel the emergency metal key pop out slightly. Gently pull this key all the way out of the fob. Removing the emergency key is crucial because it exposes a small, narrow slot. This slot is exactly where you'll insert your prying tool to begin separating the two halves of the key fob. With the emergency key removed, take your flathead screwdriver or coin and carefully insert it into the small slot you just revealed. Once it's in, gently twist the tool. You should hear a slight click as a small gap begins to form between the two halves of the key fob. Continue to carefully pry along the entire seam of the fob, working your way around until the two sections fully separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small circular battery inside. Take a moment to note its type and how it's oriented, usually positive side up. Carefully remove the old battery and insert a fresh one, ensuring it's placed in the correct direction. Remember to check the description below for a link to these handy containers, plus other great deals. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them back together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.